This is our home page, and this is how to find the video on the descriptive statistics. It's in Module 2. The first part is frequency distribution. The second part is descriptive statistics. And once you go there, if you will, the very beginning of each section has kind of what you're to learn, and then a checklist for descriptive statistics. Then you'll always find PowerPoints and notes. These are the PowerPoints or the notes that the videos below are made from. So a lot of students like to print these out and then go through the videos while they're taking notes on this. So as you see here, there's measure of center PowerPoint notes. And then if you come down here, this is the video that matches up with that. Okay, and this is a mini-tab file that's used in the videos below. So if you want to download that, you can, but you don't have to. And then if you'll come down here, here's a video, and what you're asking for is this one. This is the descriptive statistics video. These are the new mini-tab online steps to find descriptive statistics. So as you watch this video, the directions might be just a tiny bit different. But if you play this video right here, that is the one you're looking for, so I hope that helps. And it'll go into it. See, the further you go in, it's going through the steps of how to find your descriptive statistics.
So then it gives you this output, standard